Hi everyone, so we are discussing about SDLC lifecycle stages. So I discussed about requirement gathering and design. So another one is I'm talking about development. So development or coding phase. So this is basically when you are doing the actual programming. Suppose you have decided to develop something, so it takes time, right? That's the thing. It's the longest process to be followed because development will take place, and it's just like you are building something from scratch, right? So it takes time. The other thing is that it requires different languages to be performed. For example, if you heard about Java, SQL, right, these are the programming language. C++, C. So these are the programming language which can be used to develop something, some use case, so that the computer will understand and it accepts the command you are giving and performs the software accordingly. That's the actually framing of the software, right? So that's the thing. I'm hoping that this is clear to you. The another part which comes as is testing phase. So whenever you develop something, you have to test it, right? There must be some quality checks, controls, and all those stuff. You need to test it. So if you are testing it, that means you will find out the bugs, if any. Bugs is like variations, deviations you can find, and you can just maintain it or check it right before deployment. You need it. So what is deployment? Deployment is nothing but it's like sending the actual product to the production for the use. So you develop something, you tested it already, now it's ready for the actual real action to be checked. So that is the thing, that is the deployment part. Then last one, it comes as maintenance phase. So maintenance phase is nothing but when there is a maintenance happening. As I told you that there's a development happening, there's the requirement gathering happened, you developed a project, you developed a software, then you have to maintain it also. It's not like that it's developed once and you don't have to check it at all. Now, no, it's not like that. Maintenance will be ongoing. So whenever there is an issue happening, there's any problem occurs. If I take you the real life example is that you get different updates on your phone on different applications, so you need to update it, right? So whatever the bugs are there, they sort it out from the back end. So that's the back end work happening, right? So you need to update it also. If you don't update it, you will not be able to get the updated information, new features. So these are the things which is really very common. You should be knowing about it because this is a very layman things happening in our daily life. So we should be aware that okay, what is actually happening, what it actually means, what is the purpose. So this is actually the softwares we are using daily. We are using our smartphones, we are using our laptops. Everything is end-to-end softwares we are using. Without that, nothing is there. So I'm hoping that this is clear to you and this is quite relatable. So we're discussing about different phases in depth. Thank you.